Hello everyone, Avneet this side from Saiba Car Balinagar. Today we have installed Sony XAV 7000 model number stereo in Maruti Suzuki Baleno. This is the stereo that we have installed in the car. आप स्टीरियो की फिटिंग देख सकते हैं विद प्रॉपर फ्रेम कार के अंदर इंस्टॉल हुआ है। इसकी इंस्टॉलेशन में कोई वायर कटिंग नहीं होती, सारा कपलर टू कपलर फिटमेंट होता है। एंड दिस इज द बॉक्स ऑफ द स्टीरियो. If we talk about the features of this stereo, in this stereo we are given with options like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and WebLink feature. WebLink feature के through हम अपने phone को directly mirror link भी कर सकते हैं in the screen, and through this feature we can also use the YouTube application easily. For sound setting we are provided with many other modes in this stereo. Like first इस stereo के अंदर 100 watt into 4 का output मिलता है. Second, there are many other sound setting like extra bass option is available in this stereo which can be used to enrich our bass. Second होता है equalizer का option है. There are many equalizer modes that are available in this stereo and we can customize it accordingly. With this we are also provided with the option of subwoofer to control the bass of the subwoofer and many other modes like DSO mode and fader mode, which can be used to play a specific speaker. Like if I want to opt for the front left speaker, I can directly opt for that. There are many other settings also available in this stereo like high pass filter, low pass filter and subwoofer direct option. For enhancing the illumination of the stereo, we are given with the visual option which can be used to change the theme of the stereo. There are many themes that are available in it. We can also import a customized wallpaper if we want in the stereo just by connecting the USB device with it. इस स्टीरियो के साथ हमने रिवर्स कैमरा भी कनेक्ट किया है so that we can directly access the reverse camera mode without putting the reverse gear in the car. Like जैसे हम इस पे क्लिक करेंगे, our reverse camera will be turned on without putting the reverse gear. And when we will click on the home option, we will return to the home page. And this mode will also work when we put the reverse gear in the car. Like मैं अब reverse gear डाल रहा हूँ. Our camera has been turned on. With this stereo, our car original feature like original USB port is working perfectly. And with it, our steering control keys are also working perfectly fine. Like as you can see. All the keys are working perfectly with it. अब मैं आपको एक बार इसका Apple CarPlay option एक्सेस करके दिखाऊंगा. This is the Apple CarPlay option in the stereo. Apple CarPlay के through we can directly access the maps through which we can easily navigate. Apart from this, other things are also available like music application is there. In Apple CarPlay, we also have voice assistant feature available in it. Siri can be directly used to give commands in the stereo. We also have WhatsApp application in it through which we can directly send message to anyone on WhatsApp using the voice assistant feature. With this stereo, हमने external mic भी connect किए हैं जो कि stereo के साथ आता है. Which we have mounted it here. You can see it's fitting. एक्सटर्नल माइक के काफी ज्यादा बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट बेनिफिट ये होता है कि व्हेन वी टॉक ऑन हैंड्स फ्री आवर वॉइस एट द अदर एंड विल गो प्रॉपर्ली. नेक्स्ट होता है वेबलिंक फीचर जिसके थ्रू वी कैन डायरेक्टली एक्सेस द यूट्यूब एप्लीकेशन एंड मिरर लिंक.